Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinisha, and if you're new here, welcome to all my returning subscribers and supporters. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Guys, in today's video I am going to be attempting to make my own deodorant. Yes guys, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have beeswax, baking soda, coconut oil, and arrowroot flour. I also have tea tree oil and sweet orange oil. That's just for some fragrance. And this is what I'm going to be adding my deodorant to. Yes guys, so and it's a pretty simple recipe. I got it from Google. So I'm just gonna use a quarter cup of each of these ingredients. I'm gonna use 10 drops of my tea tree oil and then about 10 drops of the sweet orange oil. That's it. Yes guys, so I'm gonna go prep everything and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have some hot water in this bowl, and I'm just gonna put this cup with my beeswax so that it can melt. And I got my beeswax from Amazon, just in case anybody was wondering. Okay, so this is my wax melted down. I'm gonna leave it in the warm water, the hot water, because I noticed like it start drying a little bit, and just go ahead and add the other ingredients. So I'm gonna add my coconut oil. I'm gonna add the coconut oil. I'm gonna give that a stir. So this is what happened when I add the coconut oil to the wax. It kind of the wax kind of solidify. So I have my water boiling, because when I checked the water that was in the bowl, it wasn't too hot. So if this worked for my armpits and I decide to remake this again, I would add the oil to the beeswax while they melt down, because I know it was the difference in the temperature that caused this to happen. But it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna add it to some more. Add the cup to some more hot water so that it can all melt down together. Okay guys, so everything is good and melted. I am now going to add my powders. Well, I'm gonna add some at a time. Try to mix it. Let's see where this is gonna go. So this is the baking soda and the arrowroot. I just combined them. So it's a quarter cup of each. Easier than I thought. I thought it would make a mess. How it looks with everything combined. I'm just waiting for it to cool down a bit before I add my essential oils. Yes guys, I'm proud of this. I'm proud of this one. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I added my essential oil and then I added my mixture to my containers. So this one has more than this one. The hardest part of doing this was just getting it into these so if this does work, I'm gonna say that again, if this does work, because this is my first time making it, if it does work for my underarms, I have ideas to what I can do to make putting it into the containers a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add these. Okay, add the other one. And then I'm gonna put them in the fridge for 15 minutes. And this is my deodorant after 15 minutes in the fridge. As you can see, it's become solid. I can't wait to use this. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're new here and you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, be kind, love hard, and forgive easy. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.